Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating power drain and matching supply to device needs. Plug a certified cable into a wall adapter rated for your phone's fast charge protocol, USB PD or quick charge matters. Once connected, enable airplane mode or power the device off so charging goes to the battery, not apps. Close background apps, turn the screen off, and lower brightness. These immediate steps cut draw and direct more current into the battery. Now you tune the delivery path. Swap long, skinny cables for short, low-resistance ones to avoid voltage drop. Make sure the adapter advertises the same protocol your device accepts, for example 9V/2A for faster tiers, and use a wall outlet instead of a computer USB port, which often limits current. Once done, reduce thermal throttling by removing bulky cases and placing the phone on a cool, hard surface so charging remains efficient and steady. Finish by monitoring charge behavior. Fast charging typically tapers near 80–90%, so expect a slowdown. That's normal for battery health. Make sure device and adapter firmware are up to date to ensure proper handshake. If charging is unusually slow, swap in a known good cable and adapter to isolate the problem, and inspect the charging port for lint or corrosion. If issues persist, a single troubleshooting tip: clean the port gently and retest before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.